Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how do you create a new project on Asana. What is really Asana, right? Asana is actually a project management tool. If you guys have studied project management, you should know that there are certain ways that you can track the progress of something. So basically it just acts like a task board. So you just move from stage 1 to stage P. For example, if you're making a car, you can just say do the doors. One guy does the doors, one guy does the paint job, and then there's the assembly, and then there's maintenance and testing, and then there's the testing phase, and then it's launched, right? So in the same way, you can just make a task board, and then you can add different stages, and based on that you can track the progress of whatever you're trying to achieve. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Once you have opened up Asana, you're going to be creating a new project by pressing the create button here, and then I'm going to be hitting task. Let's just call it project this time. Now once you're here, we're going to be going to blank project, and then you can just name it like test, and then you can make it a board, and it's giving you a view how it's gonna look like. So I haven't really tried the other options, but for now we're gonna be sticking with the board one, so let's continue with it. If you guys want to know more about the other options, do let us know in the comments, and we'll research about it, and we're gonna be creating a great video about it. So now once you have done, what do you want to do first? Start adding tasks. You can start adding tasks, or you can add members. So now this is the kind of thing I was telling you about, the sections. So you can to do, in progress, complete. So you can just add something in the middle, right, to the right, like about to do, something like that. So once you hit, you just click anywhere, it just becomes a section. And let's try creating a task. Wait, let's call it how to create a Asana task. Okay, then assignee. Now usually these are my team members for my YouTube channel, but you can add your own team depending upon your Google account. This is made on your Google account, right? So there's an invitation system where you can invite people. Then once they have joined your team, you can assign them this task. So then there's this due date. You can add a due date that would let people know that this task needs to be done by the February 9th. And then you can add description as to what this task is about. You can add some links. You can add files literally by this file button, and there's a bunch of stuff you can do. And once your task has been fully created and you have added whatever you want it to be, then you can just go ahead and move on. Whoever needs to get their work started can move this task here, and then there, and then they can track the progress. Your manager or your employer can track the project of the whole project basically. So that is how Asana works. I just literally told you almost everything in not much detail, but it is what it is. So that is all from this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.